Welcome to this video on friend functions and friend classes in C++. In C++, data members are usually private. When an external function or another class needs access to private data, the friend keyword is used. This practice breaks data hiding and should be used with caution. A friend function is not a member of a class, but it can access its private and protected members. It is declared inside the class using the friend keyword and defined outside like a normal function. Friend functions are not called with the object and dot operator, but rather use the object as an argument. Note that friendship is neither inherited nor transitive. This diagram illustrates the syntax for declaring a friend function within a class and defining it outside. The basic syntax involves declaring the function inside the class definition, preceded by the friend keyword, and passing a class object as an argument. This code example demonstrates a friend function show accessing the private integer x of the sample class. Friend functions are useful for sharing information between classes, operator overloading, increasing performance through direct access, and when strict encapsulation is not required. A friend class is granted access to all private and protected members of another class. Friendship is given to the entire class and is declared using, quote, friend class name. This image shows a conceptual example of a friend class accessing private and protected data members of another class. The syntax for a friend class is straightforward. Inside the class definition, use, quote, friend class, followed by the name of the class being granted access. In this example, class B is a friend of class A, allowing the show method in class B to directly access the private member X of an A object. The key differences are that friend functions give access to one function and use an object as an argument, while friend classes give full access to the entire class and use objects inside their methods. The friend concept allows easy access to private data, improves flexibility, is useful for operator overloading, and simplifies complex programs. However, using the friend concept breaks data encapsulation, reduces security, and can make the program harder to maintain. Therefore, it should be used carefully. Remember that friend is a keyword, friend functions are not class members, friendship is one way, and excessive use of the friend concept is not recommended. Thank you for watching this video.